everyone, in front of me is OPPO Find X6 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select password and security, and now select fingerprint. Tap on agree, and at first you need to set some lock screen password, obviously if you don't have any, because if you do use already, just provide it. So now pick numeric, alphanumeric or pattern and wait 5 seconds till it's possible to add it. Tap on next. So draw this pattern. And now it's time to add your fingerprint. So just enroll it by tapping on the sensor. Keep tapping until it's fully added. And that's it. From now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.